Hi everyone, my name is Lily Ma. I study economics and Asian studies at Dartmouth College. At 21212, I help with the startup's business models. Big data is a hot topic in the world of business analytics. Managers need better data-driven solutions in order to make insightful decisions. That's why these data scientists decided to bring big data to Brazil and to the masses. So without further ado, I want to present Sebastian.
Good evening, my name is Sebastian, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Aentropico, where we turn big data into predictive insight. What if I told you the same algorithms used by astrophysicists to predict solar flares can be used by a retailer to forecast the demand of his next holiday sales? The reality is that these awesome algorithms astrophysicists have available are light years away from those available in the retailer's board meetings. My partner Juan Pablo and I have a combined 16 years of experience in engineering and physics. We met during our studies in computational statistics at ETH Zurich. We discovered a shared obsession of bringing the latest mathematical tools into the commercial world. We have cross-industry experience from mining to high-frequency trading. In our current Harvard Fellowship, we're building a computational system to monitor institutional behavior. Basically, we are what you would call data nerds. Big data and business intelligence are hot topics right now. But the truth is that only a few managers understand them, and even fewer have the proper tools to extract value from them. Let's look at the case of Tomás. He owns a local sports goods chain and he's excited because the World Cup is coming to Brazil. He wants to estimate how much items he can sell from his store and which teams have the possibility of being the best sellers in the next summer. The best tool he knows on how to make this estimate is Excel. So he takes last year's sales figures, plugs in some macros, and multiplies by 10. So he's essentially guessing. This is the status quo for millions of managers around the world that end up making an informed decision and leaving money on the table. The irony is that companies have increasingly more valuable data, but they lack the tools to extract value from it. And that's where Aentropico comes in. Using our predictive analytics platform, Tomás can now know how much profit he will get next summer. But he can also pose more complex questions and understand which of the items can sell out sooner, and even identify the perfect timing to launch promotions on t-shirts and shoes from the top contenders of the World Cup. So how does Aentropico work? Our customers have business questions and concerns, and a variety of data sources. Our platform identifies which questions are relevant to solve which data sources are relevant to solve each of the questions and map that into our predictive analytics boxes. These algorithmic boxes are the core of Aentropico's platform, and they're essentially a ready-to-use mathematical model that processes data and turns it into predictive insight. We've already built hundreds of these boxes, which solve the most pressing business concerns of managers out there. We've actually used machine learning on our own platform to improve the quality of our predictions with each new job. And the learning so far has been incredible. Let me tell you about some of our pilot customers. Aentropico worked with a large Mexican retailer using autoregressive models to identify their customer segments that would lead to better credit recovery. Our recommendations led to 20% improvement of their credit. In another pilot with an oil and gas company, Aentropico used game theory algorithms to predict their chances of winning a public auction. They won the auction and $500,000 in new business. Together with this and other pilots and some grants, we already achieved more than $100,000 of revenue in 2012. Actually, 2 of these pilots converted to full-year contracts for this year. For 2013, we already have $500,000 in leads. But more impressive than these revenue numbers is the fact that we were able to improve and learn with our platform before opening it to the public. We've seen traditional vendors on this space focusing on large companies with established IT infrastructure and analytics teams. More modern vendors eliminate the requirement of an IT infrastructure by moving to the cloud. At Aentropico, we eliminate both needs by also increasing revenue opportunities and reducing our customers' costs by taking implementation times from months to weeks and increasing usability so that people without the mathematical tools can use our product. We're sitting on a $10 billion US dollar market for business intelligence and analytics, which is expected to grow up to $50 billion in the next 5 years. Big data is growing in the whole world, and Brazil won't be the exception. We're also growing our team. We hired the best designers, coders, and data scientists we could find. We recently landed Cesar Hidalgo, a professor from the MIT Media Lab, as our scientific advisor. And we're seeking to raise $1 million. With this money, we will focus on product development, enlarging our team, and testing our online sales channel. So, if you're ready for the data science revolution, talk to me. Thank you.